Hello kabayan, nandito pa rin ako ngayon sa Al-Ain and for today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung Etihad free shuttle bus from Al-Ain to Abu Dhabi International Airport.
Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko kabayan, palike naman and pasubscribe na rin. So in the future, makikita mo yung mga travel experiences, travel tips and travel recommendations dito sa channel ko. By the way, my name is Erwin. Isa akong OFW na based sa United Arab Emirates and nagpo-post ako ng mga ganitong klaseng content.
This bus, huh?
Yes.
Kung nag-book ka ng ticket mo directly sa application ng Etihad or directly on their website, merong option dyan na mag-book ng flight direct from Al-Ain to any destination. In my case, Tel Aviv, Israel. Kapag ito yung pinili mo, automatic naka-check-in ka na sa shuttle bus services nila. Kung taga-Al-Ain ka naman at ang nabook mong ticket ay direct flight from Abu Dhabi, don't worry because pwede ka pa rin mag-book ng shuttle service nila and this is also for free from Al-Ain. Login ka lang sa Etihad application mo or visit ka sa website nila etihad.ae and then there's an option to manage and pwede kang mag-book or check-in sa kanilang Etihad shuttle service.
35 seaters, not bad. Hindi naman masyadong maraming bumabiyahe from Al-Ain.
Kailangan mo mag-check-in kabayan before ka bumiyahe or gamitin ang shuttle service ng Etihad kasi pag hindi ka nag-check-in, magbabayad ka ng 25 dirhams.
It's nice to know that there's a free shuttle from Etihad Airlines. At least hindi ka nagagastos ng pera for car lift. Usually yung car lift from Al-Ain to Abu Dhabi is around 250 to 300 dirhams. So if you have this kind of services and pasok naman sa schedule ng flight mo, mag-free shuttle ka na lang. Yung schedule, ipopost ko, nandito yung schedule nila daily from Al-Ain to Abu Dhabi International Airport and from Abu Dhabi International Airport to Al-Ain. Pinaka-landmark nyo if you're going here in Al-Ain is this ADNOC petrol station. Malapit lang siya, nasa center siya. And Karama on the other side. Dun sa side na yon, nandun yung Karama. Karama, you can find Karama there and then walk ka lang ng siguro mga 5 minutes siguro pupuntahan mo na to. As you can see, wala pang tao, so I was the first one to come here. The schedule of the bus, it's 1:35 until 4:05, so naghintay ko ng mga at least 30 minutes. But it's nice, it's comfortable, may AC. The duration of siguro mga 2 hours from here. We're going to Abu Dhabi Airport. I'll show you the airport. I was about to buy water, but the driver said we have free water in the shuttle also. Tingnan natin kung free nga talaga. Tada! We have free water, brother.
Oh, free water.
Where can I get? This one? Ah. Okay. Okay. This is the fridge. Okay, let's have a try of this free Al-Ain mineral water.
At exactly 1:41, umalis na yung bus service namin. So papunta na kami ng Abu Dhabi International Airport. 4 lang yung nag-check-in, so 4 lang yung pasahero. And that means more room for me, which is good. And because dahil nasa unahan tayo, papakita ko sa inyo yung daan papuntang Abu Dhabi International Airport. So the bus will arrive in this section of the airport. This is your landmark. And the airport is right here.
This is also where they pick up passengers going back to Al-Ain.
That's how you use the Etihad free shuttle service from Al-Ain to Abu Dhabi International Airport. That's it, kabayan. I've reached the airport safely and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you and see you on the next video.